Sultan Saladin was born in 1137 in Tikrit in present-day Iraq to a Kurdish family. Raised amidst the chaos of the Crusades, young Saladin showed early signs of intelligence and bravery. His family served the powerful Zengid dynasty, and he was trained in warfare and leadership from an early age. His childhood was shaped by tales of honor, faith, and duty. Saladin began his career under his uncle Shirkuh, a renowned general serving the Muslim ruler Nur ad-Din. He learned the art of war, strategy, and statecraft. During this time, Saladin accompanied Shirkuh on campaigns into Egypt, witnessing firsthand the power struggles and fragility of the Muslim states against the advancing Crusaders. After Shirkuh's death, Saladin was appointed as the Vizier Chief Minister of Egypt in 1169. Though initially seen as a subordinate to the Fatimid Caliph, Saladin quickly consolidated power. Using diplomacy and military strength, he stabilized Egypt, ended the sectarian divisions, and established Sunni Islam as the dominant faith, uniting the people under his leadership. Saladin's vision extended beyond Egypt. He sought to unite the fractured Muslim world divided by rivalries and weak rulers to stand strong against the Crusaders. His diplomatic skills helped him gain control over Syria and other territories. He worked tirelessly to forge alliances, bringing many Muslim leaders under one banner. The Crusaders held Jerusalem, a city sacred to Muslims, Christians, and Jews alike. Their presence was a constant source of tension and conflict. Saladin knew that reclaiming Jerusalem would require more than just military might. It required unity, strategy, and patience. The stage was set for a decisive confrontation. In 1187, Saladin faced the Crusader army at the Battle of Hattin near the Sea of Galilee. It was one of the most decisive battles of the Crusades. Through brilliant tactics and superior knowledge of the terrain, Saladin's forces overwhelmed the Crusaders, capturing many knights and dismantling their power in the region. Following the victory at Hattin, Saladin marched toward Jerusalem. The city's Crusader defenders were weary and outnumbered. After a short siege, Jerusalem surrendered. Instead of punishing the inhabitants, Saladin showed mercy, allowing Christians to leave safely in exchange for a ransom, a gesture that earned him respect even among his enemies. Saladin's reputation spread far and wide, not only as a fierce warrior but as a just and merciful ruler. Stories of his generosity, humility, and respect for all faiths became legendary. Even Christian chroniclers admired his noble character, calling him a model of chivalry in a time of relentless conflict. Saladin spent his later years defending his territories against renewed Crusader attempts and internal rivalries. Despite many battles and hardships, he maintained his commitment to justice and unity. He focused on rebuilding cities, promoting education, and strengthening the bonds among Muslim states. Saladin died in 1193, but his legacy lives on. He is remembered as the king who united the Muslim world, defended Jerusalem with honor, and led with compassion. His story inspires millions to this day, a symbol of courage, unity, and justice in the face of division and adversity.